We got ourselves buy one get one free, so we have like 4 bottles. So this is amazing. So if you come here early enough, that will be perfect. So you can buy yours and get one free. Come before the offer ends. Yes. Yeah. Hi guys, so welcome to Pioneer Mall, opposite Carrefour, behind Shell petrol station here in Diani, and opposite Diani, what do you call, Amsa Bank. So yeah, this is the newest mall in Diani, and it's a lovely mall. It's well kept, clean, and there is empty shops for those who need empty shops. There is shops around. There are some empty shops that they need to be occupied. So by the time we come here next time, the place will be full. Everything, they have different shops around, and today we are going to explore for the whole shops which are here in this mall. So let's start with this fruit shop. So we are going to start with this fruit shop. It's a fruit shop here that has every fruit that is fresh fruit. So we are going to start from here. Elizabeth is here, and she's going to explain to us what she's offering and where she is located. And
now we are at Beyond Fruits Diani at the new mall, Pioneer Mall. We have fresh juices, and for now we have an ongoing offer from 15th to it's 30th or 30. Yeah, at the end of the month. So for juices, you buy one juice, you get the other juice free. Any of the juices except for the orange, it's on offer. We have ginger shots too, good for detoxing. Yeah, we also have fruit salads, we have pomegranates, coconut water, good for your liver. We have detox, belly fighter for the ones who want to lose their weight. Yeah, welcome Beyond Fruits Diani branch.
Buy one get one free, so we have like 4 bottles. So this is amazing. So if you come here early enough, that will be perfect. So you can buy yours and get one free. Yes. You take the stairs and you go upstairs, the second floor. Nice. For your house, East African Glasses is here. And I think we took the long door, the wrong one. Yeah. East African Glasses, they are here in Diani. We are here in Diani. No more going to Mombasa. Ni push. Yeah, push. So we decided to come and visit and see what they got here in Diani for your beautiful home and houses, restaurant, and everything that you need. Sexy wine glasses and everything. They've got you covered exactly here in Diani. Luxury. It's here today, the new mall. So
Hello, welcome to Glow with Nila. I'm Nelson and I'm a worker here. Our mall is located opposite Carrefour, behind Shell, and we offer nail services and facial services. We only deal with organic products, and you can come in and show you around. So this is here, these are receptionists, products. These one are organic products, some are for hair, some are for facial, for the nails, and others. Yes. And here, this is for shaving. This is Rama, this is our Baba. Here is for shaving, this is my nail space, where we do the ladies' hair, here or there. Then we have the pedicures for everyone. And here is where we wash our clients' head. Here. Yes. And we have some, this one for facials, and this is our massage room. Yes, that's our massage room. Very simple and very comfortable. And then we have another massage room here. This is for the couples, in case they want massage. Yes, we have enough space for them here.
So guys, I've visited this Glow with Nila salon here at Pioneer Mall, and I'm telling you the place is very beautiful. It has, if you are Beach Road that side or this side, please don't forget to just pass by here at Glow with Nila place and find yourself this amazing products. So see ya guys, and let's check out the next thing. Yeah. And as you can see, Sharosh is here enjoying herself, and she loves the place. We have to come and slay here one of these fine days. So thank you so much, guys, for the welcome. We really appreciate, and you have a lovely day. Piece and curtains. This is it. It's also here. So if you're looking for art and decor, this is the place for you to visit. And it's a free stitching, a free whatever. As you can see, it's an home and office thing. So yeah, welcome. Here in this other shop, we have the elegant fittings, beauty with an edge, and this is it. As you can see, you search them online and they call themselves elegant fitting. So don't forget to look for them if you need anything to do with the house thing. So yeah. Come to Elan Elegant Boutique, where you come and find yourself some cute sandals, handbags, clothes, pants, everything. Look at that. That is beautiful. And for men, as you can see, they have very good quality shoes, beach shorts. As you can see, sneakers are on fire over here. Very beautiful handbags. So hi guys, here in this shop completely African. As you can see, we have African style over here in this shop. If you are in need of African clothes, terrace, and we also have linen shirt and linen trousers for your husband or boyfriend or even your boy or something. So as you can see, the quality is very amazing, which is cotton linen 100%. So you just visit and grab yourself something amazing. Yeah, so this is what she has: ankara for the kids and everything for adults, kids. As you can see, they're beautiful, 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 whatever for the stock. We also have shoes. As you can see, the quality of shoes is also here. So when you come, don't forget to pass by and check this out, the bags and everything. So you don't wanna miss this out. So yeah guys, look at that, look at that. And enjoy your shopping as much as I enjoy recording. So bye, chills.